We have been running mud from September end. So October, November, December. If average we take 4 programs, we should have been having 12 programs. But because of some inconveniences, one or two mud were lost. We had a good entertainment on Saturday 7:30 to almost 9 o'clock. Covered 17 languages, many small bits of poetry, many Indian languages, and also languages across the globe: African, American, Brazilian, Hebrew, Japanese. There were few people who were constantly finding it interesting. There were few people joining and then showing some interest. We had made a small group in which people could share in advance. These are all experimental. I don't think anybody would have done such programs of teaching. So I was experimenting many ways. But then this is the only program in which we have not kept a singer's name, and then these are the poems which are being, or maybe songs which are being taught. Some of them are not really songs, because we don't want film songs. We want some real message which could be having, including some traditional Sanskrit slokas were also part of it, because basically my interest is that, but I don't want that to be restricted just because I am interested. So we had shared a good time of learning some. But then I generally conduct programs based on demand. This was my experiment, but I found not much of pressure from the participants. So I found it's not that important to run every weekend just for commitment. But then this Saturday happens to be a day of minorities' rights in India. 18th December is supposed to be minorities' rights, but I have not seen anybody posting. Similarly, the human rights were also we celebrated, but we have not seen anybody discussing about it. Minority rights in India, I don't know whether it is valid, because government has given many rights. Sometimes it has been misused by making changes in the people by converting them to get into a minority list. But traditionally, this is to preserve and promote the rights of minority communities in India. The day focuses on the issues like safety of minorities. It is not a big problem in some of the cities, but it's still a problem in some states where sometimes the religious, the caste system is running basically by political parties. Not today, it is part of India's tradition. Last 70 years that's happening. We are not out of that, nowhere in the world also. And 18th December is supposed to be another great day where I have got some interest, because I kept traveling to Gulf for last 10 years, probably last 20 years, hundreds of times I must have traveled to Gulf. I am from a state, Kerala, where migrants' income is actually the biggest income in Kerala. If you look at income, what is being the government, or maybe in the public enterprises or private business people, nearly more than 50% is run by the migrants' money. Basically from Gulf. 30%, 40% is from Gulf, I understand. 18th December is supposed to be the International Migrants Day. But it's not a big problem because migrants are not illegal migrants. But there are nearly 5% of people who are migrated from their homeland to some other land for either earning or either for job or for different purposes, but they have not been taken care of very well. See, for example, a person who is in Gulf for 40-50 years and he must have lived only 10 years in his own home country, still, or you take birth in that country, still you cannot be part of that country in terms of owning your nativity. So International Migrants Day is celebrated on 18th December to raise awareness about these protection of migrants and refugees. Refugees are slightly different, but they are considered together in these cases because it's not their fault that they became refugees. The International Organization of Migration, that's called IOM, international community, they wanted all these communities to come together and at least to remember that migrants and refugees have lost their native life for want of probably playing a role in some other country. So this is a day to remember them, or maybe have a show our integrity with them. So I'm happy that Dilip ji is there, with whom we started this mud, though I'm sure if every person who is part of it is taking slight interest, this could have run, but I thought this could be the end of the day of mud because not many active participation, or I must have added many people, but I have not seen many people adding somebody else to become part of this. That shows it's of less interest. So why should I run a program with my own interest? Okay. And thank you, Dilip ji, for joining today. We have regular attendees like Isabel Nilaya. Just if she is late by few minutes, she will send a message. She is there. Like Haridas ji was there for most of the days. Suchita was there most of the days. Kanchana is new to this. Geeta contributed a lot. Kanchana is a great singer from Sri Lanka. She had sent a music to me. But then I said, we don't play music. That way we can get music from many people. Many people contributed like this in between. That's one fun I had. When they said I can send it, you play it. No, I said we will not do it. Because this is a classroom. We want 2 lines to be taught, 2 lines to be learned. So that it is not to prove that somebody is a singer. It is to prove that we can learn music in repeating it at least a few times. No, that is the fun of the program. Basically, we had a few people who were regular. So may I request Dilip ji to make few comments and.
Namaste everyone. Wish you all a happy International Migrants Day and a Minority Day. I said happy. Actually, it's not the happiest moment for immigrants or migrants. You see, in America, approximately 1 million people are waiting to get immigration status. Very sad situation. Some of our attorneys, lawyers are working to get their status as early as possible, but it's taking 15 years, more than 15 years. It's a sad situation. I'm glad Dr. T.P. Shashikumal is making the initiation to have this day to observe. Is very important. We never know, even we can have difficult situation in our life, any moment. You see, from the Second World War, Europeans move around the globe because they don't have a place to stay peacefully. They moved to South America, North America, even Middle East, some part of Africa. So we don't want this to happen again and again and again. So we people supposed to come together, interact together, and make sure we all are from same family under God. Whatever religion, whatever culture we have, wonderful. To make sure we all are human being, divine being as a brothers and sisters, living together and share and care. When you look at the globe around, some people, maybe 80 people have money more than others. They get wealthier and wealthier and wealthier. Middle class number is going down and poverty is growing in higher level. That is the last 10 years my observance. So we need some changes in the world. We have to make people engaging in music, arts, sports to avoid the negative nature of creating a mind, to destructive mind. I will say a destructive mind. You need a constructive mind. That's the beauty of what I saw Dr. D.B. Shashivkumar last year. We met through one of the online program. Immediately connect. So we had to connect everybody, come together, work from our side. We don't have to look for any political leaders or religious leaders to change the world. They cannot do that much, but we can. We create a global community and we'll make the change through our simple moments. Even if it's music, bring everyone, come together, have a wonderful time so people can learn from other culture and other language. Even 2 lines, you learn 2 lines, great. Even if you say hola, greeting in Spanish, konnichiwa, say hi in Japanese, that's enough. When somebody is saying namaste, I'm happy. See? So we had to create a positive group. I'm so glad TP Shivkumar is inviting us, guiding us. Thank you, TP.
Yeah, we have Kanchana from Sri Lanka, or maybe Isabel. We don't have to invite anybody. Whoever wants can. Kanchana kept on saying she will have generally an electricity problem or connection problem. So those people should finish first. Or maybe we will learn from somebody else. Geeta, you can sing a 2 line, or maybe Dilip ji himself can sing 2 lines and make others to learn. That's best. Yeah. Dilip ji himself will start.
Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bo, Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bo. Sing. Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bo, Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bo, Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bo, Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bo. Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bo, 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 Hari Bol, 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 Hari Bol, 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 Hari Bol, 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 Hari Bol, Hari bol, bol, bol. Hari bol, bol, bol. Hari bol, bol, bol. Hari bol. We practice every day, then we'll sing on 28th.
We have Amna from Pakistan. Amna can show the face and sing a song, or Kanchana.
But you are muted.
What happened?
Yeah, Kanchana can go, or Amna or Shuchita, somebody. Take Isabel. Isabel can sing a song and then teach somebody else 2 lines.
Today I did not prepare nothing.
Any 2 lines?
Because I working in the radio.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Okay, Geeta.
Excuse me.
Geeta. Somebody. You should take, unmute and start.
रघुनंदन राघव राम हरे सिया राम हरे सिया राम हरे रघुनंदन राघव राम हरे सिया राम हरे सिया राम हरे रघुनंदन राघव राम हरे सिया राम हरे सिया राम हरे ओके
रघुनंदन राघव राम हरे सिया राम हरे सिया राम हरे
रघुनंदन राघव राम हरे सिया राम हरे सिया राम हरे
रघुनंदन राघव राम हरे सिया राम हरे
रघुनंदन राघव राम हरे सिया राम हरे सिया राम हरे
Yadunandana Raghava
राम हरे सिया राम हरे रघुनंदन राघव राम हरे सिया राम हरे सिया राम हरे
रघुनंदन राघव राम हरे सिया राम हरे सिया राम हरे
Again, from the beginning, again. रघुनंदन राघव राम हरे सिया राम हरे सिया राम हरे
रघुनंदन राघव राम हरे सिया राम हरे सिया राम हरे
रघुनंदन राघव राम हरे सिया राम हरे सिया राम हरे Okay, thank you.
Yeah, Jayaprakash ji, I am muting you because it is making too much of noise. You have some problem in the instrument. Sorry. Don't unmute. Your mic is too much of noise. Somebody else. Amna, you can teach 2 lines or Shuchita? Yeah.
माधव मन हरे मधुर मनोहरे गिरिधर गोपाला जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय गिरिधर गोपाला माधव मन हरे मधुर मनोहरे गिरिधर गोपाला माधव मन हरे मधुर मनोहरे गिरिधर गोपाला जय 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 गिरिधर गोपाला माधव मन हरे मधुर मनोहरे गिरिधर गोपाला माधव मन हरे मनोहरे गिरिधर गोपाला गिरिधर गोपाला गिरिधर गोपाला माधव मधुर मनोहरे गिरिधर गोपाला. Very good, Gikachi. Thank you.
Yeah, Kanjana or Amna?
Okay, welcome.
Yes, thank you so much. But I did not know this song. I know one of the song, likewise from India.
No, you
And
don't.
I-
You
I
don't have to
want-
sing
I-
Indian
I-
song. We want to learn
saw-
Pakistani song from you.
Once I saw a movie and I listened Raghupati Raja Raja Ram, Raghupati Raja Raja Ram.
No, we want that we will teach you, but
I also know.
we want a song from you, and you should teach us your song. You can sing some
Song
song.
from Pakistan.
Yeah, that's what we want. Let us see how good a teacher is Amna is. If all of us learn, Amna is the best teacher. We will give you an award. If only one person learns, the person who is learning is good.
Okay, give me just 1 minute to
Think.
realize, to remember a very good song. And then I will teach.
Any song we
Okay?
will make it good by singing. Yeah,
Okay.
Kanjana is ready. You can start, Kanjana.
Yeah.
2 lines. Only
Definitely.
2 lines. Don't make it too much.
Okay,
Then you will
okay.
fail. People don't learn. And explain the meaning. Here also, if you
Okay,
don't
sir.
understand, you should ask the meaning. We will explain it. Yeah.
Okay. First of all, I sing a song. Lovesama ekavadaye dudaruvan veva vadanati vedanati lassana luwadita apata udaveva. In Tamil, வானமிலே வேதமிலே அழகிய உலகம் நாளை மலர்கிறதோ.
Yeah, if you can post the
Can you
lyrics in the
give-
chat box, it will be good.
Okay,
And
okay.
that put in English transcript so that people can read.
Okay,
Explain it, the meaning, so that we will capture word by word.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
This, can I explain it?
Yeah, this is Sri Lankan language, Sinhala, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This song is a group song singing by a group in Sri Lanka. The themes of the song is love, affection, and protection, and peace also. As a human being, we love each other. We are flock together. We haven't boundaries and no barriers, so we always try to love each other. This is the meaning of this song. We all are friends of as a one family. Namaste.
Yeah, now line by line. Now line by line. And teach all of us.
Love Sama. Can you sing me? Can you sing me? Love Sama.
No way.
Sama.
Dudaruan Veva
Dudaruan
Daruan Veva. Shall we sing again?
If you write in the chat
Yes, yes. Chat box. We'll write the lyrics up in the chat box.
Okay.
It will be easier for us to follow.
write in English.
Okay. Wait a minute.
Amna also can do it parallelly so that ready for the next song.
Sama ekam daye dudaruan veva. Is it enough, doctor? Sing with me.
But what is the lyrics? What is the lyrics?
Did you write the
I send it.
Yes.
chat box
Suchi?
for everybody?
It has come in the chat box. It's already there in the chat box.
Yes. Thank you.
Suchi.
Jayaprakash, please don't unmute. Jayaprakash, please don't unmute. You has too much of noise. Jayaprakash will get a chance to sing all the songs at the end of this program. So learn everything, patiently listen and then learn so that independently you will get a chance. Yeah, 2 lines is good enough.
Okay.
Yeah.
Already done.
Yeah.
Sing with me.
Now you have to be a good teacher. Sing one line, make others too. This is a test for you to pass international music teacher test.
Yes, definitely. Love Sama
Love Sama
Sama
ekam daye
Ekmadaye
dudaruan veva.
daruan veva.
Vadanati.
Vadanati.
Vedanati.
Vedanati.
Lassana lovahita.
Lassana lovahita.
Apata udaveva.
Apata udaveva.
Shall we sing with me?
Yeah.
Okay. Love sama ek
Love sama.
Sing again. Love
Sama Ekamadaye Darua Viva
Vadanati.
Edenati Lasina Lava
Great. Great student.
Will you explain word by word? Lave sama means what? Ek madayo means what? Explain it. Give the meaning.
Okay. Earlier also I give the meaning. All human beings, Ekamaday, one nation, Dudaruan Deva. We wish to flock together as brothers and sisters. Vadanati, no debates. Vedanati, no boundaries. Lassana lova, beautiful world. We wish to a better future, beautiful world for in near future. This is a wish for all human beings.
What a beautiful song, very apt to
Yes.
today's celebration. Wonderful, very good. Nice.
Thank you.
I think you should make
So the
all of
word
us to
Deva
sing
is
it twice or
brother and
thrice.
Kanchanji,
Suchiji,
this word refers to brother and sister.
sorry?
Veva.
Veva means wish. Veva means wish. Wish. Veva.
Ek madaye means from one mother or one brothers and sisters. Huh?
Yes.
Lovasamo means find it equal. Love
Yeah.
equally. Yeah.
Equality. One nation, one go, one. Well,
Make all of us to sing and learn. Yeah. And you will have to give a test. You can select one of them, ask them to sing, and qualify that they sang according to your standard.
sorry, doctor.
You make any one of them to learn thoroughly, find out who is going to sing best, and then you can give a test to them. Yeah. Start teaching. Repeat a few more times.
Drop my signal, doctor.
No problem. You have good signal. You start singing. Don't worry.
Another song?
No, same song. Make everybody to repeat it many times. Yeah, few more times.
Okay.
Yeah.
Love sama
Sama.
Sing. After that, I sing. The audience are singing. After that, I sing.
It's your choice. You tell them, you complete
Okay.
one line and then make others to repeat.
Okay.
We will follow you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Love Sama.
Sama.
Ekmade.
Ekamadaye.
Duan Veva.
Daruan Weva.
Love Sama.
Sama. Ekamadaye. Vedanati, Vedanati, Lavaheta, Apata Uda.
Sing again.
Vadanadi,
again?
Bedanadi. Vadanadi, Bedanadi. No difference, right?
No difference.
Yeah.
No way, Sama.
Noe Sama, Ekamadaye, Daruan Weva. Vadanati, Vedanati, Lavaheta apata udaveva.
Is it enough, Doctor?
You can ask someone
you
to.
sing
You can
what-
ask somebody. You can
Please,
select whomever.
Okay.
Last.
Suchi.
Please sing one time, one more time, please.
Okay.
One more time, we'll listen, then we'll sing. Try to sing.
Okay. Love Sama. Ekmadaye. Dudaruan Veva.
Nilaya, Singapore, Sri Lankan song Singhala. The lyrics is there in the chat box. Learn it.
Check the books. Yes. I already sent it.
Sinhala, Sri Lankan song. Lyrics is there in the chat box. Listen. Last chance for you. Yeah, Kanjana, go. Continue. Continue once again.
Ekmadaye, Daruan Weva. Vadanati, Vedanati, Vateta, Lasana Loheta, Apata udaveva.
So now evaluation. What's the next process?
Yeah, you ask somebody to sing.
Okay.
Any volunteer?
Suchi.
Any volunteer? Yeah.
Any
Amna is ready
volunteer?
to sing this song, Singhala song.
Can you participate? Any volunteers?
Love Sama. Ekamadaye. तू दारुवन वेवा लसन
सनलवा है तौड़ा
Good. Wonderful. Very good. Now, Amna, did you type in the lyrics in the chat box? Put the lyrics in the chat box, whoever is going to sing next. Amna has to unmute. Amna is from Pakistan.
लो ए समा एक मदाए दो दरुवन वेवा वादनती वेदनती लसन लवाहित अपत उड़ावेवा. Is it okay?
Yeah. Amna is ready. Amna can. Next song. Arabic, Urdu, which language? Amna has to unmute. Your sound is not coming. Yeah, now it's up.
I want to sing Kalam Baba Bulle Shah sings Rabbi Shergill in India, and many other singers sing this one.
Which language is that? Which language?
बुलकी जाना मैं कौन ना मैं मोमिन विच मसीता ना मैं विच कुफर दिया रीता ना मैं पाका विच पलीता ना मैं मोमिन ना फिरौन ना मैं मूसा ना फिरौन बुलकी जाना मैं कौन बुलकी जाना मैं कौन ना मैं विच पलीती पाकी ना मैं विच शादी नगम ना मैं आबी ना मैं खाकी ना मैं आतिश ना मैं पोन बुलिया की जाना मैं कौन बुला की जाना मैं कौन.
Yeah, Amna, what you typed in, that lyric should be in the same sequence. Otherwise, people will not be able to learn. The first part is not seen in the chat box. You can take time to type in. The line as it is, what you are singing should come. Then only people can follow. Yeah, Nilaya has something. You can also type in, Nilaya. Amna can also type in, Amna. That same lines what you are singing, because what you are singing is not what is written there.
Actually, can't sing. My voice is not so perfect for any song.
Doesn't matter. You have to be a good teacher.
For you, just
You have to be a good teacher. Understand the learner is not that fast. Line by line, line by line. Then make 2 lines to repeat.
can't teach. Actually, I have.
Those 2 lines, what you have written there, Bulla ki jana me kon. That 2 lines alone you make people to repeat. That's good enough. Don't sing something else. Only that part.
Bulla ki jana me kon.
Yeah.
Bulla ki jana me kon. Bulla
की जाना में
कौन बुला की
जाना में
कौन बुला की जाना में कौन Very good, Kanchana. भूला की जाना
में कौन
Very good.
Clam Baba.
भूला की जाना मैं कौन
ये जाने
भूला की जाना मैं कौन
के जाना में कौन
What does it mean? What does it
Very
mean and which language?
This is in Urdu mixed with Punjabi, and this is kalam by a Sufi poet.
No, you tell
And
the
he
meaning.
is saying,
Yeah.
not a believer inside the mosque. I did not know who I am.
Okay. So next line. One more line.
I am not known.
One more line.
Yes.
Add one more line.
ना मैं मोमिन विच मसीता ना मैं मोमिन विच मसीता
Write it down. No, it will
ना
be good.
मैं मोमिन विच मसीता ना मैं मोमिन विच मसीता बोले सब ना मैं
मोमिन बीच मसीता
Good.
ना मैं मोमिन विच
बीच मसीता
ना मैं मोमिन बिच मसीता ना मैं मोमिन बिच
बीच मसीता
ना मैं मोमिन बिच
Now two lines together. Make everybody to sing two lines
Yes.
together.
लखी जाने
मैं मोमिन बिच मसीता लकी जाना मैं कौन लकी जाना मैं कौन
नमा मोमिन बीच
ना मैं
मसीता
मोमिन विच मसीता ना मैं मोमिन विच
बीच मसीता लके जन्म में कौन ना मैं बीच मसीता
लकी जाना मैं कौन ना मैं मोमिन विच मसीता
मोमिन बीच लके जन्म में कौन ना मोमिन बीच मसीता
कौन ना मैं बीच ऊपर दिया रीता ना मैं बीच ऊपर दिया रीता ना
मैं बीच ऊपर दिया रेता
दिया रीता ना मैं बीच
बीच ऊपर दिया रेतन
Excuse me?
कौन
Excuse me? Can you type it again? Together, lines are together. This is mentioned these two lines are various point. Shall we?
Okay. This
Together.
अच्छा
translation.
अच्छा व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ बुल्ला की जाने में कौन इन उर्दू कैन यू एक्सप्लेन बुल्ला की जाने में कौन
Can I speak Urdu or English?
इंग्लिश और हिंदी यू कैन इन हिंदी
Okay.
English, because there are people who don't follow Hindi. Translate in English.
Bhulla is a poet. Bhulla is a name. He is a poet, famous Sufi poet from Pakistan, Lahore. It means he's saying himself, I am not known about myself, who I am. He's saying, I did not know who I am. I am not a believer inside the mosque and nor a pagan beside the fells, right? He's saying, I did not know who I am. Either I am a Muslim or non-Muslim. I am a believer or non-believer. He's saying.
Okay.
And at the end of this poem, he says, I just know I am a human being.
Okay.
He's saying I am
Okay,
a human
okay.
being only.
Okay.
The message is humanity. He's
Beautiful.
saying I am a human, just not a Muslim, not a non-Muslim.
Beautiful message. Great,
Beautiful
Amna.
message.
Thank you.
Nice message.
Thank you.
Yeah, make those two
Repeat
lines
the
to
line
repeat
together.
and give a test. Let us see who is passing.
बुलकी जाना मैं कौन बुलकी जाना मैं कौन बुलकी जाना मैं कौन जाना मैं कौन जाना मैं कौन ना मैं जाना मैं कौन बुलकी जाना
मैं कौन
नामे
मोमिन बिच मस्तान नमा बिच कुफर दिया रेतान
very good नामे मोमिन विच मसीता नामे मोमिन विच मसीता
नामे बिच कुफर दिया रेतान
नामे वो विच कुफर दिया रेता very good
Nama which kufa dilan.
नामे विच कुफर दिया रीता
नामे बिच कुफर दिया रेतान
Name which kufa dilan red.
नामे
Which kufa dilan dian
कुफर दिया रीता
Ritan. Okay.
कुफर दिया रीता
Name which kufa dilan ritan.
नामे विच कुफर दिया रीता नामे विच कुफर दिया रीता
Ritan.
नामे विच कुफर दिया रीता नामे विच कुफर दिया
रीता
रीता नामे विच कुफर दिया रीता
Ritan.
नामे विच कुफर दिया रीता नामे विच कुफर दिया रीता very good
Yeah, Nilaya.
great
Nilaya, Isabel,
great
Kanchana, somebody, Haridas ji.
Geeta, DS,
Jayaprakash ji, unmute and sing once.
Kanchana, thank you so much.
बुलके जाना में कौन नामे मोमिन विच मसीतान
One more line is there, no? Name which kufar diyan. Yeah, somebody else.
बुल्लकी जाने में कौन बुल्लकी जाने में कौन नामे मोमिन बिच मस्तान नामे मोमिन बिच मस्तान नामे बिच कुफर दिया रेतान बुल्लकी जाने में कौन बुल्लकी जाने में कौन
Geeta, so nice. My mom is listening and she is just very impressed and very embarrassed.
Nilaya,
Great.
Silvamma. Kanchana. Somebody.
बुलकी जाना में कौन बुलकी जाना में कौन
Naam ek ko.
नामा मोमिन मस्तान नामा मोमिन विच मस्तान
Help. Amna can help.
नाम है मोमिन विच मसीता
नाम
है मोमिन विच
मसीतान नाम है
विच
नामे
रीता
नामा
नाम है विच पर दिया रीता
didn't see the line.
नाम है मोमिन विच मसीता नाम है
मोमिन विच मसीतान
नाम है मोमिन विच मसीता
रीता
नाम है विच कुपर दिया रीता नाम है विच कुपर
दिया सीता
रीता
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 yes
Good. Wonderful. Very good. Now Nilaya can go. Nilaya, which language? Nilaya is with Chinese or Japanese?
Chinese.
Chinese, yeah. We have all neighboring nations, you see, from India.
So, Prana,
Yeah.
this is Chinese nursery song in Mandarin, and goes. It's a very simple melody. So I'll sing one time this whole song. It's like Yan Su Lao Hu, Yan Su Lao Hu, 跑得快，跑得快，一只会有眼睛，一只会有尾巴，眼睛怪，眼睛怪。So if you it needs to hear. I think it's better to hear than to read because something they don't go quite well how they write, and I don't have this thing to write the Chinese thing. So it's like da 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 da. So it's like the French song. You read Saint Frère Jacques, but for the Chinese, instead of two brothers and the bells, they use two tigers. So there are two tigers that run, one without the eyes, one without the tail. So let's go. It's like Yan Chu Lao Hu, Yan Chu Lao Hu, 跑得快，跑得快。Okay, let's go this. Yan Chu Lao Hu. 养猪老虎，跑得快，跑得快。One more time from the beginning. 养猪老虎，养猪老虎。跑得快，跑得快。Okay, now let's keep going. 一只没有眼睛。Again, this is yeah, very good. 一只没有眼睛，一只没有眼睛。Oh, this you don't say Edu, you say Yanjing. Yanjing. But you say Yanjing. Yanjing. So it's Itu没有眼睛，Itu没有尾巴， Itumayu way ba, and then it is Yanji Wai, Yanji Wai. Oh, very good. Very nice. So let's try from the beginning, okay? So think about your eyes like this. Think about Chinese and then you can think, okay?
Did you
Let's
type
go.
it?
I did on the chat box, but it doesn't follow very much. If you
Okay,
read,
okay.
you better listen. Because,
Okay.
And think about Chinese. Just think about this, you can make the sound.
Okay.
So it's like, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Yang tu lao ho, yang tu lao bao the quay, bao the quay. It's the way you yang jing. It's the way you wait. It's the oh perfect. Wait ba, yang wai, wai, yang wai,
What is the meaning of Genji Gwai?
Oh, really strange. It's like really strange. Changing like, oh. So, you want to try again? Let's try again. Together. Come on. You can sing. Come on.
Jésus Mario, vida, Jésus Mario, Jinchi, baby Mario, Jinchi, baby Mario.
Oh, that's nice. Sounds beautiful. So we can sound together, whatever it sounds to you. Very beautiful. I love it. So, 1, 2, 3. Yang tu lahu, yang tu lahu, bao the quay, bao the quay. It's the way you yang, it's the way you wait by, why, why. So who wants to go solo?
Thank you.
Oh, that's beautiful. So who wants to try? One more volunteer. Brave, one more brave one. Come on. Gita.
Lang chi la ho, bao de quai, yi ji mei yu, wei yi ba, jen gui.
So it goes like this. That part. It's like the Genji Guai.
真奇怪，真奇
beautiful.
怪，
Right.
光
So who else? Oh, that was nice. Who else? Katana? You gonna go? Unmute.
lang gì lo lên gì lo bao gì khó yi gì mayo isu yi gì mayo isu yi gì mayo
Oh, beautiful.
Zin chi go.
Oh, that was very nice. It's very nice improvisation, which is good.
Thank
You can always
you,
improvise.
Sina.
So, do you have? Would you like to do all together? Let's do everybody all together once, okay? Let's get prepared. You can sing, okay? Let's go together. Oh, come on, DS, you can sing, please. Yes? Okay, together. 1, 2, 3. Yang tu lai,
拉火，
yang
两起拉火，跑丢的龟，跑的龟，
Sim si la
鸡没有一朵，没有月吧。
sim si la.
Okay, that was beautiful. Okay, it's good. Pranam.
Sim si la. Lao di hao. Lao di hao. Sim si ma. Sim si hao. Sim Mario.
Yeah, Haridas ji, any Malayalam song or Suresh ji? 2 lines to all of them.
Sharanamayyappa.
Anything, 2 lines. Make it 2 lines.
Okay. Sharanamayyappa, Swami Sharanamayyappa, Shabarigiri-natha, Swami Sharanamayyappa.
Good enough. Yeah, make others to learn, no?
Okay. I'll sing again. Sharanamayyappa, Swami
Swami Saranamayappa,
Swami Saranamayappa.
Sabarigiri Natha, Swami Saranamayappa.
Sharanamayyappa,
Saranamayappa, Sabarigiri Natha, Swami Sharanayappa.
Correct.
Saranamayappa, Sabarigiri Natha, Swami Saranamayappa.
One more line I will read. Mandalam noyembu notu അക്ഷരാലക്ഷം മന്ത്രങ്ങളുരുക്കഴിച്ചോ. Are you able to sing?
Sharanamayyappa Swami Sharanamayyappa Sabarigirinaatha Swami Sharanamayyappa Swami Sharanamayyappa Sabarigirinaatha Swami Sharanamayyappa.
Okay, good.
Sharanamayyappa Swami Sharanamayyappa Sabarigirinaatha
You can try.
Ayyappa is a form of God. Ayyappa is a form of God. Sharanam means I totally devoted to you. So, Ayyappa, I am totally devoted to you. And the place, the temple is there is called Shabarigiri.
Sabarigirinaatha.
Giri means mountain. Shabari is the place name. Shabarigiri Natha means you are the master of that place called Shabari.
Saran Ayyappa Swami Saran Ayyappa Sabarigirinaatha Swami Sabari Saran Ayyappa.
Okay.
Swami Saran Ayyappa Sabarigirinaatha Swami Saran Ayyappa.
Wonderful. Very good. Very good. Jayaprakash ji, you have to teach all of us 2 lines. I think the mic, your audio is too bad. Yeah, good enough?
Very good. Very good.
Too much of disturbance. Jayaprakash ji, too much of disturbance. Okay then, thank you all. Namaste. Good.
Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Happy holidays.
Can I share something?
Yeah,
Yeah, please.
sure.
In our holy book, one Hazrat David used to sing a song, and all the birds, all the nature, all the all the animals sing with him. So songs make us feel better and take us to another world. Am I right?
Yes, absolutely right.
Absolutely right.
We have a great
Thank you.
Telugu movie which is based on music, which is called Shankarabharanam. Shankarabharanam is one of the, if you have not seen that music movie, if you love Indian movies, one of the classic movies is Shankarabharanam.
Shankarabharanam.
And the beginning of the movie, there is a small Sanskrit sloka which says Pashurveti Shishurveti Veti Gana Rasam Pheni Sahityasya Rasam Sakshal Shankaro Veti Vanabha. Even Pashu means animal. Animal also loves. Shishu means young kid who don't even know. You have a lullaby to make them to sing. They need not know the meaning, but still they love. If kids are loving, elders are loving, animals are loving, even snakes love songs. That's the way to catch snakes. If you make a beautiful flute, snake will start stopping moving and people catch them. So snake also loves music. Pashurveti, Shishurveti, Veti Gana Rasam Peni, Sahityasya Rasam Sakshal Shankaro Veti Vanabha. Sahitya means the style in which you write the poetry, the rhythm which you give, the raga which you give, the notes which you give, the meters which you give, that makes that literature into a music. Everybody should enjoy. So I am running this just because Nilaya is one who is generally thrilled for learning, and I think she is the one who contributed maximum different number of languages. Double salute for it. The Brazil is from, Nilaya is from Brazil. Silva, now in America. Keep on traveling. Good traveler, enjoy.
From my heart.
So we had today Sri Lanka, Pakistan, China, Malayalam, and Gita's was Sanskrit, right?
Yes.
And see, when you chant Sanskrit, Anna, I am muting you because it's echoing too much. The difference between the Sanskrit of Orissa, Amna, I'm muting. Don't unmute again, please. Amna, please. The Sanskrit of Gita is probably not digestible to me because it's entirely different Sanskrit. The Orissa Sanskrit is different. Kerala Sanskrit is different. So when we hear, I have a doubt whether it is Sanskrit or Bihar or maybe Orissa. Got it? It's like a non-English people speak English, right? When we chant Sanskrit, it can be entirely different. So that's why I'm asking. It's not because I don't understand Sanskrit. I asked because some words doesn't look like Sanskrit which I learned. What my Sanskrit is or what I heard. Yeah. And similarly, we had she also left, right? Suchita also has given a song. No, she didn't give a song, right?
She sang well.
Yeah, but she didn't contribute a song today. Yeah. Good, wonderful.
Contribute by singing. Yeah, Professor, this is very interesting because what you said, you see how when we are babies, we can get any language and we receive what the it comes from the heart, comes from the song. You cannot sing without your soul. So when we grow up, we receive so much information that we try to get them into boxes. And sometimes they don't fit any boxes. And then we get, but I think the more we can make our boxes lightweight, maybe we get less trouble in life. Who knows?
Yeah.
But just live the life as a song. And I'm very grateful from my heart. You've been saving my life all this time with this song because I really needed that. And that helped me to open up my heart again to the world. And I thank you so much. Thank you to you all. You're so beautiful people here. It's a wonderful honor to be part of. here.
So see you tomorrow, Bhagavad Gita.
Yeah, see you tomorrow.
7:30.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Tomorrow.
That's
See you tomorrow. And
Hurry up.
Bhagavad Gita. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
පාට පාට කඩ සල්පිල් ගෙවනෙන්නේ ගිනි හුලකින් දූවිලි ඇවිලෙනවා ඒ ගින්නෙන්ද දෙවි මලේ තාර පාර දිග පාට පාට කඩ සල්පිල් ගෙවනෙන්නේ ගිනි හුලකින් දූවිලි ඇවිලෙනවා ඒ ගින්නෙන්ද පිට්ටි කෙලිසෙල්ලම් නගරේ ආශිතරයට සූදු කෙලිනවා ජීවිතේ රම බිමට වඩින්නට මලෙඹට කලදම සපුනිනවා පාර දිග පාට පාට කඩ සල්පිල් ගෙවනෙන්නේ ගිනි හුලකින් දූවිලි ඇවිලෙනවා ඒ ගින්නෙන්ද දෙවි මලේ ගෝලලො සිංජර දිව රස කෙරුවට වඩදින්දර නෑනිවා දමන්නේ තීරෙවෙන කලවාරු නැති දේකා උහුණුගනුම දිගු ගමන දුවන්නේ තාර පාර දිග පාට පාට කඩ සල්පිල් ගෙවනෙන්නේ ගිනි හුලකින් දූවිලි ඇවිලෙනවා ඒ ගින්නෙන්ද දෙවි මලේ තාර පාර දිග පාට පාට කඩ සල්පිල් ගෙවනෙන්නේ ගිනි හුලකින් දූවිලි ඇවිලෙනවා ඒ ගින්නෙන්ද